They say the rich don't pay taxes. And while that's technically not true, there's one account that lets regular people build tax-free wealth for life. It's called the Roth IRA, and it might be the most powerful tool in the entire financial system, if you use it right. Let me break it all down. No jargon, no confusion, just real power. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement investment account that you fund with money you've already paid taxes on. You invest in it now, and when you retire, every dollar you pull out is 100% tax-free. Let that sink in. You could build $1 million account and pay zero taxes on it when it grows. Who can open one? If you are under the income limit, under $161,000 single, $240,000 married for 2025, have earned income from a job or self-employment, then you're eligible. Even if you only make $500 a month, you can still contribute to a Roth IRA and start stacking wealth. How much can you contribute in 2025? Up to $7,000 per year if you're under 50. Up to $8,000 per year if you're 50 or older. That's over $600 per month max. But even $5,100 a month adds up with compound growth. Where can you open one? Some of the best platforms to open a Roth IRA. Fidelity, super beginner friendly. Charles Schwab Vanguard M1 Finance for auto investing. Public or Robinhood if you're already using them, but with limitations. You open the account, then you choose what to invest in. Index funds like VOO, VTI, FXAIX, dividend stocks, even ETFs and REITs. Just opening a Roth IRA isn't investing. You have to choose what goes inside it. Why is the Roth so powerful? Because you're taxed now, but never again. Here's the magic. Your investments grow every year. Your dividends get reinvested, your gains compound over decades. And when you retire, you pay $0 in taxes on all of it. Compare that to a traditional 401k or IRA, where Uncle Sam takes a cut later. Can you pull money out early? Yes, but with rules. You can withdraw your contributions, the money you put in, at any time with no taxes or penalties. You can't touch your earnings until age 59-12 unless you meet special exceptions, like buying a first home or qualified hardship. So it's flexible, but also built for long-term play. Pro tips and hidden hacks: use the backdoor Roth IRA if you make too much to qualify. Advanced strategy: let me know if you want a full video on it. Set up automatic contributions each month. Even a 100-month invested in VOO could grow to 6 figures by retirement. Start now. Every year you wait, you lose a year of compound growth, and you can't go back and fund past years. Here's the truth. Most people won't take advantage of this. They'll spend now, stress later, but you have the chance to retire tax-free, to build wealth on autopilot, to give your future self a gift no one else can. Start your Roth. Fund it monthly. Invest with intention. Learn. Hustle, grow. This is Mind on Millions, and this is how real wealth is built tax-free.